so your hamstrings are a little bit stiff, shortened, whatever we determine that you are going to have to start doing this stretch a little more commonly. So what you're gonna need is a box, a bench, a bed, a chair, anything that you can get your foot up onto. And we're gonna start with the right leg. So when I get into this position, it's really important that we keep in mind that our spine is in a good position. I don't want to be seeing anybody stretching like this in order to try to feel a sensation here. What we need to do is stay nice and tall. We're gonna keep our knee bent so that we can start to experience more of a stretch right here in the belly of the hamstring. So once I get a little set and stable, I'm going to keep the bend in my knee. I'm going to start reaching my hip back for the wall behind me, and I'm going to keep this arch in my lower back, and bam, I feel a stretch in my hamstring. And from here, I'm going to hang out for about 2 to 3 minutes. For our stretches, it's pretty standard to stay about 2 to 3 minutes. If you want to go a little longer, that's great, but you don't need to exceed about 5 minutes there. After 2 to 3 minutes is done, we'll obviously be doing the other side. And I'm going to give you guys some options on how else you can be stretching this. But back to the points here of when I'm trying to hunt into this stretch is I'm really trying to maintain this position so I can feel this, and I'm not allowing my chest and my spine to round and my chest go down towards my leg. This is not okay. This is more okay. So when we're going into the band, we're gonna get over here, and I'm going to attach the band onto something super sturdy that is not going to move. So I put it right here for myself because I know this thing ain't going anywhere. From here, I get on my back, and I'm going to hook it over my leg, right behind my Achilles tendon, on the back side of my leg there. As I slowly start to straighten out my opposite leg, I'm keeping the bend in my knee, so that I can have the stretch experience in the belly of my muscle. From here, it's pretty easy. You just gotta breathe and relax, and eventually everything just kind of gives up. If the stretch is too intense for you, you can assist your leg by giving it a little bit of pressure so you can really start to relax a little easier here. It's just almost like a base of support for yourself. Again, 2 to 3 minutes is the minimum, maximum is 5.